Right now, somewhere, an AI agent is running. Not thinking, running. A 4-beat engine, looping over and over. Nobody explains that engine, so let's draw it. By the end of this sheet, you'll know exactly what happens inside every loop, and what happens when the loop breaks. Four beats. Observe, plan, act, and the one everyone forgets, observe again. Say them once and they sound obvious. Watch what each one actually hides. Beat 1, observe. The agent gathers everything it can see, your request, the screen, the files, the result of whatever it just did. That snapshot is called context. It is literally everything the agent knows in that moment. Nothing else exists to it. Beat 2, plan. It weighs options against the goal and picks exactly one next move. Not the whole journey, just the next step. Good plans are boring. Check the calendar before booking. Read the error before retrying. One step at a time. Beat 3, act. The agent calls a tool, clicks, types, runs code, sends the request. One action. Then it stops. That pause matters. Acting blind is how machines break things, which brings us to the beat nobody explains. Beat 4, observe again. The agent compares what it expected against what actually happened. Match, take the next step. Mismatch, adjust the plan. That tiny comparison is the difference between automation and agency. Around and around. Most real tasks take dozens of loops. Booking that hotel from last sheet? 41 loops, 4 seconds. Here's one of those loops traced. Observe the price page. Plan, compare against the cap. Act, open the next site. Observe again, price changed, adjust. Now the catch. The agent's desk, its working memory, is finite. Every observation piles more paper onto it. When the desk overflows, the oldest pages fall off. The agent forgets. This is why long tasks are where agents struggle most. Good agents manage the desk. Summarize file notes into long-term memory. Keep only what matters in view. So what happens when the loop breaks? 3 failure patterns show up over and over. 3 names to remember. Let's watch each one. Failure 1, the wrong read. The agent misreads a page or a result, and every step after inherits the mistake. Failure 2, the stuck loop. Try, fail, try, the same thing, fail. Good agents count their retries and change strategy, or stop and ask. Failure 3, the lost plot. Somewhere around loop 30, the goal drifted. The cure is checkpoints, rereading the goal on a schedule. The fix for all 3 is the same discipline. Smaller steps, more checkpoints, honest self-review. It's how good humans work too. That's why serious agents run with guardrails, confirmation before anything irreversible, budgets on time and money, and a human who can pull the cord. 3 guardrails. If a product has none of them, be careful what you hand it. And when it finishes, or gets stuck, it reports back. The loop always ends where it began, with you. That's the whole engine. 4 beats, a finite desk, 3 failure modes, guardrails. Once you see the loop, you can't unsee it. Which raises the obvious question. Is the thing you've been using an agent at all? Next sheet, the autonomy ladder. Chatbot, Copilot, agent. Where does your favorite tool actually sit? This is iBrains. The machines are learning to work. Learn how they think.